Hello and welcome to our class Systems Administration and Maintenance. We are now on the third and fourth week of our midterms. So for today's lesson, we'll be discussing about permission. So if you're interested with this kind of video tutorial and lessons, don't hesitate to enroll in our subject and watch our technology-based videos for you to learn and expand your knowledge regarding information technology. Topics to be discussed: permission groups, permission types, permission commands. Permission group, owner. It applies only to the owner of the file or directory. This will not impact the actions of other users. Group. It applies only to the group that has been assigned to the file or directory. It will not affect the actions of other users. All users. It applies to all other users on the system. This is the permission group that you want to watch the most. Permission types: read. User can view the contents of the file. Write. User can modify a file or directory. Execute. User can run a file or view the contents of a directory. Permission commands, ID. It displays user identity, chmod. It allows you to modify the access rights of a file or directory, umask. It sets the default file permissions, su. It allows you to temporarily become the superuser, sudo. It allows you to execute a command as another user, chmod. It allows you to change a file's ownership, chgrp. It allows you to change a file's group ownership, passwd. It allows you to change a user's password. Dash, a regular file, small d, a directory, small l, a symbolic link, small c, a character special file. This file type refers to a device that handles data as a stream of bytes, such as terminal or modem, small b, a block special file. This file type refers to a device that handles data in blocks, such as hard drive or CD-ROM drive. Octal notation used for chmod command 777 RWX. It sets no restrictions on permissions. Anybody may do anything. This is not a recommended setting. 755 RWXR-XR-X. The file's owner may read, word, and execute the file. All others may read and execute the file. This setting is common for programs that are used by all users. 700 RWX-. The file's owner may read, write, and execute the file. Others are not given any rights. This setting is useful for programs that only the owner may use and must be kept private from others. 666 RW-. All users may read and modify the file. 644 read-. The owner may read and modify the file, while all others may only read the file. This is a common setting for data files that everybody may read, but only the owner may change. 600 RW the owner may read and modify the file. All others have no rights. This is a common setting for data files that the owner wants to keep private. Symbolic notation: U the directory or file owner, G the group owner, O others, small letter a command, short for all, the combination of U, G, and O. Examples of symbolic notation: U plus exit allows execute permission for the owner. U exit removes execute permission from the owner. Plus exit allows execute permission for the owner, group, and everyone else. This is equivalent. ORW it removes the read and write permission from anyone besides the owner and group owner. Go equals RW it sets the group owner and anyone besides the owner to have read and write permission. It removes the execute permissions from the group owner and others. U plus X. Go equals RX it adds execute permissions for the owner and sets the permissions for the group and others to read and execute. Multiple specifications may be separated by commas. Argument and the result of each. Nika, the ownership of the file is changed from its current owner to user Nika. Users, the ownership of the file is changed from its current owner to user Nika, and from its current group owner to group users admins, the ownership of the file is changed from its current group owner to group admins Nika. The ownership of the file is changed from its current owner to user Nika. The group owner is the login group of user Nika2.